Mount Bachelor's downhill mountain bike trails embrace the rugged shape and terrain of the volcano upon which they're built. The steep trails incorporate obstacles such as rocks, roots, logs, drops, jumps, and other natural or man-made features that require technical riding skills.
The trails the way out here at Mount Bachelor are unique, and they've been laid out by hand. We incorporate some of the ski runs, but for the most part, they're their own unique carved path down the mountain. We start off on Little Pine and ride more of our novice trails, and as you progress through that network of trails, you can head up to Pine Martin and ride off the Big Lift, where you'll find more advanced and expert level trails.
Mount Bachelor's Gravity Series downhill mountain bike races have been taking place since 2015. Their popularity exploded during the coronavirus pandemic, with people seeking socially distanced outdoor pursuits.
It's amazing to me the number of young people. I mean, it looks like this is a young person's game.
Well, there are a lot of kids that spend their summers up here, and it's obvious we've got many young riders who are coming up, and their skills are developing faster than ever before. So it's not uncommon for mom and dad to drop their kid off here in the morning before work and then come back up, pick them up in the afternoon, and take a few laps and see how the day went. So it's definitely popular amongst kids, but the parents are into it too. So it's a good family activity.
This year, an average of 100 riders participate each week in Friday night races down the challenging trails.
Does that mean you're an early arrival?
It just meant I registered early. The last race I got second with the number 2, so yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, hopefully.
So are you going to dominate tonight?
I hope so. Rattlesnake, last chance was kind of my thing because I know how to pedal, but I like rattlesnake and it's been good to me in the past, so I'm excited.
Each race follows a different downhill trail. Each race is progressively more difficult, reaching into black and double black diamond expert-only terrain.
These folks are racing as fast as they can down these technical features. Do they slow down or not?
Oh, of course, yeah. I mean, you need to slow down for self-preservation, but you try to be as off the brakes as possible because you want to get down as fast as you can.
Have you seen this trail before?
Yes.
So what's your strategy tonight?
Go fast and win.
What's your strategy?
Take it easy, keep it at my skill level, and have fun.
And what's your function today? What are you doing banging sticks together?
Encouraging and scaring.
At the same time?
Yeah, mainly encouraging.
Okay, because aren't they scared of what's going on?
Yeah, they're scared.
You're helping them, in other words?
Yeah, we're helping them.
To successfully navigate these trails, racers use dual suspension bikes with hydraulic disc brakes and a lot of practice.
How do you know somebody's having a good ride compared to a bad one besides coming off?
When you're on the side of the track and you see someone ripping through faster than anybody else, it's pretty obvious who's really having a good run and who's not. A lot of times some people will slow down for obstacles and other riders might choose to fly right over them. So the people that tend to air over features, they're usually going pretty fast and they're going to put in a hot time.
Finish times vary based on the length and complexity of each course. Most racers make it down in 4 to 6 minutes.
Kiger, how was your run?
It was pretty good.
You didn't crash, you didn't burn?
No.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, very good time.
What was your finish time? Do you know yet?
No, I don't know till probably tonight.
You think you're near the top?
Yeah, felt like it. But I mean, you never know till you know.
It's a really informal event here, so mostly it's a community-inspired gravity race series. So we're just doing it for fun. The winners of each race, will get some sort of prizing, but yeah, not Super Bowl level, but it's like you said, mostly bragging rights and having a good time, putting down a successful run, and coming back next week to challenge your friends and do it again.
From Mount Bachelor, I'm Brooks Snavely for The Great Outdoors.